Hello guys, welcome to new video. On this video I will talk about Discord stage channels, and I will give you an overview. For more explanation, stage channels are a special type of host when you can create your own community server where you making audio. How do it work? Within stage channel, member can be moderator or speaker or listen from the audience. So all of these roles are open. It is really like Clubhouse or a Twitter space. So stage channels are great way of broadcasting. Who can speak server on the stage channel? Speakers and stage moderators are both who can speak. Speakers, people who can talk in the channel, speakers can easily move themselves back to the audience. The moderators are special speakers who can say the topic and run the stage. They also have the power to add, mute, remove the speakers. You can also add entire roles, individual members to have stage. You can set up if you are a moderator. So community server owners are the who can make and create channels. So if you are ready to start running your event in your community server, follow these steps. How do I create a stage channel? If you want to create a stage channel, in order to create a stage channel, you will need to have many channels and also manage roles, and all of these things you can enable in your server, as I can show you in here. So step one, start by creating new channel. As you can see on this screen, these are the steps. Second, you select the stage channel option as a channel type. What type exactly you are going to. So the third option is when you hit next, you will be prompted to add roles or members we wanted to grant stage moderator permission. So that is how you can create a channel. How do I add or remove stage? In order to modify the stage moderator, you will need to have many channels, as we also manage roles, as we are already enabled in a server. So these are the steps you will take to do that. To manage channels, to mute members, to move members. This is the steering or the dashboard. You can control all of those issues. So you can also add, remove additional stage moderators after you have created a stage channel by going to your channel settings, as you can see on this screen. How do I modify the topic? Also, to do that, you can only open the stage channel, click open the stage at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. From there, you will be able to set the topic, and the topic will be displayed at the top of the stage channel while active, as you can see now here. So those simple steps are what you need to do. What I can do as a stage moderator, these are the roles you can play. You move yourself from speaker to audience and vice versa. Disconnect members from stage, move members from speakers to audience, move members from audience to speakers, and also all of those things you can do. How do I remove members from the channel? For desktop or browser stage moderator, you can right click on the specific audience member, and then menu will appear, and you can press disconnect it from the stage, as you can see on the bottom from the picture. You can see. How do I move a speaker to audience? Also for desktop, you can right click directly on the speaker and menu, and the pop-up you can select move to audience. Simply, that is the steps you will take. For mobile, you can tell user's profile to bring up their profile card to view this same menu and press move to audience. How do I move an audience member to speaker? As the stage moderator, you can right click on the director on the audience member, and the pop-up will show up. You can select invite to speak, and the button invite will become a speaker. Yeah, as you can see now on the screen. How can I see who has raised their hands? As stage moderator, you can click on the show requests button, and the action bar on your screen. After you click the button, you will see the request to speak menu, and then accept or dismiss if you want and correct access to speak. You can allow the request to speak from everyone. So this is how it look like when you do steps. How do I end the event in the stage channel? The live event will end whenever the last moderator leaves the channel. The stage channel itself will remain as permanent channel unless deleted. So simply, if you delete, it will go. For audience members, for those who are just returning for the show, this guide is below will help and learn to join and interact and how do I join a stage channel in a server? Stage channels behave just like normal channels, so just tap or click, and great thing you are devolve and join as a member with your mic mute. You can request to speak if you want. If you are stage moderator, you will have the option to join the speaker or as an audience member.